Hey friends, let's quickly understand the difference between DNA and RNA in just 30 seconds. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. DNA is double helical or double stranded. The structure of RNA is single stranded. The sugar in DNA is deoxyribose sugar, and in RNA it is ribose sugar. In case of nitrogenous bases, DNA consists of A, T, G and C, whereas in RNA the nitrogen bases are A, U, G and C. Uracil replaces thymine in RNA. The location of DNA is mostly in the nucleus, whereas the RNA is generally found in cytoplasm or nucleus of the cell. So you now know the difference between DNA and RNA. Like, share and follow for more bio bites.